Yes, yo, ladies and gentlemen, everywhere in the world, it's your boy Effects. A lot of you know me, and as for many of you that don't know me, I make hits for a living. Basically, we're all about the kind of songs that get the club banging. We're all about the kind of songs that get the people jumping. We're all about the kind of songs that take away your sorrows. We're all about the kind of songs that make people happy. Basically, you know what I mean. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time we kick off showing the day-to-day activity, because man, everyday life is all about music, it's all about entertainment, it's all about making that hit for you. So guys, stay tuned as it go, time to time. We're gonna drop hits, we're gonna drop beats, we're gonna drop mixes, we're gonna drop sounds, so the world will see what it is.
Exclusive sound.